So it looks like 1, 2, 3. It looks like they were separate trunks, really. They're not really intertwined. They're just together, next to each other. And I think it's what, 28. So it's 28-inch stump, and this is my good old Poulon 4620, 20-inch fire. Yeah, did a good job. Had to take a couple breaks though, not as young as I used to be. Okay, this one went really quick. I think must be partially decayed. The other stuff was pretty. Here we cut up some more logs. So these are kind of like punky. They're like light. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use those for slats. Come 20 inches and use them for slats. These are definitely in better shape quality wise. I just gotta check the moisture. We're gonna use these for our bridge upgrades. I think we got 3 more of those sections we got to replace, the decking boards, so that's what we're gonna use those for. So we got more logs here. We had gotten all the way down to this log, and we had all these logs, and now I'm working backwards. So a lot of logs to cut, but we got quite a few projects. And take a look at these stumps. Well, they're not stumps, they're bottom logs, I guess you would. I think that one's 25. I don't know what that one is, but we're going to see if we can get those on the sawmill too. Now this was the very top of that tree, and when it came down we noticed that there was a bird hole, so I put it on a sawmill and we cut it. So let's take a look. Pretty big, you know. So let me see if I can put my hand here. It's a hand. So pretty big. They thinking maybe woodpeckers were living in there. I'm not sure. That's kind of neat.